Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today's quotation is जीत के दिखाओ उनको जो तुम्हारे हारने का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. Win and show those who are waiting to defeat you. Our today's question is cybersecurity productivity are concerns, but e-summits must go on as diplomacy must go on. So, our introduction would be according to the current scenario, we need to select which is good for us because something is better than nothing. Due to COVID-19, we can't physically present in e-summits, but e-summits gives a way to us to engage with other countries and make strategy to control the whole situation and keep diplomacy going on. Recently, we made so many e-summits like Quad Group Summits, BRICS Summits, SAARC country summits, and also with some countries like Australia. There are so many pros and cons of online summits. Pros are it reduce cost, time, also reduce special arrangements because we are not physically present at this time, like security arrangements and food. We can also save human resources. We also no need to deploy special forces for this. And there are some cons like reduced personal engagements because we are not physically present at this situation, so our engagement would be less productive. We also lose the opportunity to understand other cultures because we are not present on this time. Less productive communications. Cybersecurity may be threatened because cyber attacks can be done. We can also see the cyber attack recently and also concerns about Zoom app. There are also some limitations in e-summits like internet is limited person can add in this online summits. So because of e-summits we can talk with several countries. We don't want personal engagement or physically present. Offline summit can provide us opportunities more than e-summits because with offline summit we personally engage with others and improve our relations. There are also pros and cons of offline summits. Pros like there are in offline summits there is no cybersecurity attack concerns and direct communication with other countries and leaders. It was more productive than offline summits. It also provides us opportunity to understand others' culture and also their policies. There are some cons which are offline summits consume more time and also increase our cost like transportation cost. Special arrangements required in offline summits. We have to spend more human capital and special forces must be deployed for security reasons. So, our conclusion would be according to the situation, we need e summits to control the spread of COVID 19. At this time, we have to focus on e summits to tackle security concerns. But after the situation is normal, we have to switch offline summits for our better engagement and diplomacy. Apart from this, until the normalcy, we have to conduct e-summits and try to make them more productive. And e-summits must go on as diplomacy must go on. So, this is it for today.